and welcome to part 2 of attaching surf fins to the hood of your vehicle. Here we have waited 24 hours, and these are the results. And in order to achieve this masterpiece, I have used the following materials. Here we have the, this is like a bag. This is a bag from Lowe's, like a leaf bag. I use it to mix the JB Weld on it. This is the brand I get. I mix it with a bamboo thing, like a stick. I mix it. I then apply it with a, you can use a credit card or whatever old card you have. This. And then if you want to add it some extra pizzazz, I had some extra sparkles lying around. So you just like sprinkle it on when you're done. And then I also applied like cleaning up with a, I used my finger and a wet rag. So like, you're gonna go like that. And then if you wanna like use your finger and like kind of clean it off the edges over there. But like, that's what it kind of looks like. Let me get this out of the way. That's kind of like what it looks like. It seems pretty strong. Here's what it looks like when it's wet. Sometimes the fins you get will look a little different if you get them wet. This is a bamboo inlay, so they seem pretty sturdy. Like these ones like are. It's nice. I like it. And this is what surf fins on a vehicle looks like. This is Elle signing out.